Hi, I'm Jake Balle with Ivory Homes. I'm a sales agent here. We're out here in our Cranefield Estates community. I'm out in front of our 3,000 farmhouse floor plan, which is going to be in the parade of homes this year. So we're excited to show you what's going on. Show the street really cool. I think it's cool to see all the construction going on in this neighborhood. So this is, we're in Cranefield Estates. This is a big master plan community from Ivory Homes. We've got a community pool and some parks, and we've got a couple hundred more lots coming. We have more lots coming this year, so there's plenty of good opportunities. So come and check us out. Let's go walk through the house.